Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make exquisite chocolate bonbons from scratch. First, mastering chocolate tempering is absolutely essential for that professional finish. We will carefully heat our dark chocolate to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature control ensures your bonbons have a beautiful shine and a satisfying, crisp snap when you bite into them. It's the foundation of a perfect bonbon. Next, let's create those perfect chocolate shells. Begin by making sure your polycarbonate molds are absolutely spotless and completely dry. Any moisture can ruin your finish. Fill each cavity entirely with your beautifully tempered chocolate. Then, quickly invert the mold over your bowl, tapping gently to drain all the excess chocolate. This leaves a thin, even shell, which is crucial for a delicate bonbon. Scrape the mold clean for crisp edges. Now for the delicious part, filling your bonbons. Once your shells have set, pipe your desired ganache, caramel, or praline filling into each one. Be sure to leave a small gap, about 1/8 of an inch from the top edge. This space is vital for the final cap. Then, carefully apply another thin layer of tempered chocolate over the fillings, spreading it evenly to seal each bonbon completely. This locks in all that wonderful flavor. Finally, the moment of truth, demolding. Let your capped bonbons set completely, ideally for several hours, allowing the chocolate to fully crystallize and contract. This natural process helps them release easily. Gently tap the mold firmly on a hard surface, and your perfectly formed bonbons should pop right out. Store these delightful treats in a cool, dry place, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, to maintain their shine and snap. Enjoy your handmade masterpieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.